Today I'll try to make a game in 1 hour. First of all, I will make a rounded map. This will be the arena where players spawn. Let's name it Arena. Now let's add the script. We will name it Brush System. Let me explain how this code works. This tells the script to look at the list of everyone currently in the game. This is used for high-speed timing, like checking every single frame to see if the player is moving. This is an event. It waits for a player to join, and then runs all code inside for that player. This will create a folder called Leader Stats inside the player, used to show the scoreboard. Create a number called Paint Area and sets it to 0. Track how many points a player has. This picks a random bright color for the player when he joins. This pins that color to the player like a name tag. Every time the player die and respawn, this give him a new brush. Finds the middle of the player body, so we know where to attach the brush. This is how we will create the pull of the brush. This stops the brush from hitting the player. This puts the handle inside the player character. We make the metal part that hold the bristles. This will weld the metal to 0.5 studs down from the wooden handle, and the rest is the same. We are designing and welding. This entire part is the heartbeat of the game. It drops pieces of colored paint exactly where you are standing. This section runs every second in the background. It looks at every paint part in the workspace and checks who the owner is. And it counts up all the parts owned by each player and update their Paint Area score on the leaderboard. Now we add another script for the leaderboard. We named this one Leaderboard. This script is the brain of the game. It manages everything. First, we need to create the scoreboard. When a player joined the script, create a folder called Leader Stats. Instead of just giving points for walking, we want to count the actual territory. For every piece of paint, it checks a tag to see who the owner of the paint. Let's make the map a bit bigger. Now, since the main thing about the game is working, we need to add a leaderboard. We create a screen GUI inside Starter GUI. We name it Paint Leaderboard. Let's add a scrolling frame so we can see all the players. We name it Container. I'll do a quick random design. Let's add a Willis layout. It automatically snaps the player names in a perfect line. We add a text label for the player name. Now let's add a local script inside Paint Leaderboard. This will make the new leaderboard work, and design it with player colors and display a crown next to the top one player. This is the results for this video. As you can see, my paint color is red, and in the leaderboard there are red background behind my name, so it works perfectly. Drop a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this.